I'm sort of like always looking to, when this happens, this will feel better. When I, like seeking to be a future self, as if to say the one you are now isn't good enough, or isn't making the mark, and isn't hitting the goals or something that you want. But then there's somehow, you imagine this future self will be doing that and you'll be happy then. And the idea of noticing where you are already being that future self now, and giving yourself a break, in your mind and your thinking, me, Denise, like just don't be so hard on this current you, putting all that pressure on yourself to be something else bigger, brighter, better in the future, and then not even noticing the moments when you're already being that now.